friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making iced matcha latte. For this easy recipe, we need matcha powder, milk, sugar or other sweetener. You can use honey, Splenda, or no sweetener at all. And we need a blender to blend it, and also a glass with ice to make it into iced latte. So I'm going to measure 1 cup of milk. And add sugar to taste, so I'll use 2 teaspoons. And now add matcha powder. You can use 1 to 2 teaspoons, depending on how strong you want it. So I'll just use 1 teaspoon. And now I will pour everything in the blender. And now let's blend it until it's combined. And now we're gonna pour our matcha latte over the ice. And that's it. Super easy. Perfect. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love matcha latte. So delicious. See how easy it is to make, and you don't even need to go to Starbucks now when you have a craving for matcha latte. Perfect. So easy. So delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!